Hello and Namaskar. You're watching KTV India with me, Varsha Venugopal, and today we bring you a developing story that connects geopolitics with cricket. Let's begin with the biggest concern right now. After Pakistan carried out an airstrike in Afghanistan, the situation in the region has become extremely tense. Reports suggest that the attack targeted a rehabilitation center, and unfortunately, hundreds of people lost their lives while many others were injured. This incident has not only created a humanitarian concern but has also affected the world of cricket. Afghanistan cricketers have openly expressed their sadness and anger on social media. The emotional response from players show how deeply this situation has impacted them. But now the bigger question is what happens to the Pakistan Super League, also known as PSL. The tournament is just days away from starting its new season. But this recent conflict has created serious doubts over its smooth conduct. The biggest issue right now is fear among foreign players. Reports suggest that several overseas cricketers are now hesitant to travel to Pakistan. It's not just about the airstrike, but also the overall unstable situation in the region. There is also ongoing tensions in parts of the Middle East, and now with rising concerns between Afghanistan and Pakistan, travel routes have become complicated. Players may have to pass through or near sensitive airspaces or take longer and riskier routes to reach Pakistan. This has made many cricket boards cautious. For example, Australia has reportedly advised its players to avoid traveling, especially to cities like Peshawar, which is close to the Afghanistan border. This warning is significant because safety becomes top priority for players and their respective boards. However, the Pakistan Cricket Board or PCB remains confident. They have stated that all arrangements are in place and they are closely monitoring the situation. According to them, foreign players are still unexpected to arrive soon, but the uncertainty continues. If players from countries like England, New Zealand, South Africa, West Indies, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh also decide to pull out, it would become a major problem. Why? Because leagues like PSL heavily depend on international stars. Without them, not only the quality of the tournament drops, but it also leads to massive financial losses. We are talking about losses worth crores. Another concern being raised is related to travel safety and logistics. Recently, during a major global tournament, some teams faced difficulties returning home due to flight issues and airspace restrictions. Special arrangements had to be made to ensure players reached safely. This example is now being used to warn players about possible risks. The fear is simple. If reaching the tournament becomes difficult, returning home could be even more uncertain. And that is something no player wants to risk. At the moment, PSL appears to be under more pressure compared to other leagues. However, experts believe that even tournaments like IPL could see minor effects, especially for players coming from regions affected by these tensions. But for now, all eyes are on PSL. The coming days will be crucial. Will foreign players agree to travel, or will safety concerns force them to stay away? That decision could define the future of this season. So, what do you think? Will international players participate in PSL, or will fear keep them away? Let us know your thoughts. Until then, stay informed and stay safe.